Let me get a close-up of that. We're going to feed Noah some chicken and chicken gravy. Hi, Noah. Hi. Hi. That's going to be good. Daddy's going to feed you.
Noah. Noah. Here. Noah.
Are you a little camera shy? Yeah. Let Daddy feed you. Get your fingers out of your mouth.
Here you go. Ready?
Oh, that's good! Yay! Yay! Give him some more. Ready? Are you ready? Get some more. Yay! Hi! Yeah! Is Daddy feeding you that? Is that hard to swallow? Oh, he does not like it. Oh, yay! Hi! Want some more? Want some more? Hold on, let me get over here. Hi! Let me see if I can see him right here.
Ready?
Hi, yeah.
He's starting to
He's
learn.
backing up. He's backing up. You won't even let him get close to him. Hi! Is that good? He's like, what are they feeding me? See, we have to show. We got to show something else in comparison. Why don't you go get like?
Okay, we'll get some applesauce now.
Get some applesauce or something real quick. Some squash or pears or anything that he loves. That chicken's not that great, is it? The chicken. You like chicken?
Carrots.
So now Daddy's got carrots. We're going to see how he normally does now. He's excited already. Daddy's got carrots. He's like, I don't know if I should eat that. Mmm. Yummy. Noah. Mmm. Hey, throw in some chicken. Yeah. Yes, and good. Now do the carrots. He wasn't ready for that. I think he was anticipating the chicken.
That's probably the messiest he's ever been. I feed him.
That was yummy! That was yummy!
Here comes some chicken.
What is Daddy doing, huh? There you go.